This is simply one of the most important treatments that you need to do for your spring lawn success. It's not even one of my products. Let's get your lawn on.
Matt is mowing the lawn. Matt likes the lawn. Mowing the lawn till the dawn. Matt's lawn is lawn porn. Whoa!
At this time of year, the early spring lawn, the lawn starts growing, but the weeds are growing more, and you really need to take care of them and take them out. You don't want weeds taking away your nutrients. You don't want weeds taking away your available sunlight. So let's get rid of them. It's very important at this time of the year. All right, you might remember my video a couple of weeks ago when I did a bit of a mow of this and opened it up with the verticutter. This is a couple of weeks in now from that, and you can see that she's filling in really nicely. That has come back quite a bit. That bit that I really scraped into, you can see the growth and that coming back. It's not so brown. And like what I wanted it to do, I wanted it to bring out some weeds. Now those weeds are a little bit affected by the bow and arrow treatment I did about a week ago. And just to make sure that I have got them, I'm just going to do another treatment. Quite possibly they're going, and because bow and arrow just takes a little while to work, might have been a bit of a spray error or something like that, but I'm going to give it another go. It's looking really good, obviously, for this time of year. For interest, I think the minimum last night was about 7 or 8, and today's maximum is about 21, so it's starting to creep up to that magic low and high, adding up to number 35 when it's ready to go for a reno. Let's get this down anyway and get these weeds truly gone.
It's great seeing the positive growth coming out of dormancy at the start of spring. At this time of year, weeds will always out-compete the grass in growth. So that's why we need to do this weed treatment, because we want to get rid of the weeds so the lawn gets the maximum benefit of any growth that's available. For this early in the season, the lawn's looking great, but this has really been helped along by what I did a couple of weeks ago, opening up the ground a bit with the verticut. That has allowed the available heat to get down to the ground and kick this lawn out of dormancy. Having that lawn looking scrappy a couple of weeks ago is now totally forgotten. I mean, it is doing really well. It's a great way, I suppose, to really just see that your grass is growing, because at this time of year it might not be that noticeable, to be honest. The aim of the game right now is to get rid of those weeds to give the chance for the lawn to grow in its best possible manner.
This is one of the things that obviously separates great lawns from average lawns. Getting rid of those weeds and letting all the available nutrients, sun, water, everything being used by the lawn for the lawn, and letting the lawn grow, no issues, no problems, without anything competing. Now the stuff that I use is bow and arrow herbicide. It's available in a lot of places, but not hugely available. So if you're having some trouble getting hold of it, be sure to check out our friends at the Tool Room. That's not my business, that's another person's business in Victoria, but they do some really great online sales for us. So get into the toolroom.com.au to get your bow and arrow delivered to your doorstep. Fantastic product to use. It's safe on most lawn types, even safe on buffalo, although buffalo it might discolor a little bit, but it's not going to kill it. It'll come back a little bit later, and it's a great product. For broadleaf weeds, it's nice and gentle. For broadleaf weeds, it's not that gentle, but it's obviously gentle on your lawn and letting your lawn look its best. We're going to have a great season here at Lawnporn. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that. It helps me grow, and we'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.